Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through some dock maintenance items for you to consider with the Roomba Vac 2 Essential. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First, the most frequent thing you'll have to do with this station is going to be changing the vacuum bag when it's full. You should get a couple of months of use depending on how often your vacuum runs and how dirty your house is. Very simple to add and install a new bag. They even have instructions for you right there on the top. We also have a little mesh screen that we can remove with that cap there to clean as needed. And if you get any dirt, dust, or anything building up in here, just use compressed air or tip it upside down and empty it out. Same thing with this channel. You can put your finger in there and feel around for any obstructions, leftover hair, things like that. You can wipe it down. Vacuum bags, very easy to reinstall. Just press in place like that. Next, it's always good to keep an eye on the charging contacts to make sure that they're clean. You can wipe them down as needed. And with our self-empty vacuum chute right here, keep an eye on this as well too. If you have any leftover debris in there, you can go ahead and clean that out. Same with the underside. If you want to, you got 5 Phillips head screws. You can remove this channel here to clean, detangle, and declog as needed. And then lastly, down here in the bottom corner of the right-hand side of the unit, if you're looking at it from the front, keep an eye on this area and this grating right here too. If you notice anything start to accumulate here, compressed air would be your best friend to make sure that's free of any obstructions. It's a small and compact station that really doesn't require a lot of work.